Inwardly, space is the state of thoughtlessness. Inwardly means not in the physical body nor in the world. World is the appearance on the screen and not in the physical body. Inside of the body, generally, all parts of our body, organs of our body, you can find flesh and blood, and all that you find it. That is not what I mean, inwardly means. Other than that, inwardly, space is the state of thoughtlessness. Thoughts occupy the space inwardly. Thoughts in the form of objects you can see in the world that will manifest the world, because all objects, all appearances, it is the form of thought only. Therefore, it will manifest the world. That is nothing but the appearance on the screen. Once, many times I told it. Thinking, serious thinking occupy the space. I am talking about thought and space. Thinking, serious thinking occupy the space very tightly. You, as hardware toy, must suffer with stress, fear, anxiety, etc., so on. That spoiled organs of your physical body. Therefore, my request to you is maintain space inwardly. How? That is my first point. Inwardly, space is the state of thoughtlessness. So maintain that space inwardly by lessening the thoughts, reducing the thoughts.